Okay, here we are on day 4 of the Crieff Cloverleaf tour. It's coming up to 9 o'clock in the morning. We've been on the road for about half an hour. We've looked out with the weather again. It's beautiful and sunny, blue skies. It is, however, at the moment a little bit chilly at 2 degrees. But there we go, you can't have everything, can you? Just currently on this A85, just settling down, and all I get to see is Moffat Mountie forklift trucks. I've seen 5 Moffat Mountie forklift trucks so far on this tour, and not one Highland cow yet, so I'm not particularly happy. But there we go, I'm sure they're out here somewhere. Great views though. We're going to get a chance to get past this truck or not. There's my answer. Yeah, it's gone down to 0.5, man. I know, just pretend it's 20. Get these motorbike specific signs that tells you where to position the motorcycle for the bends, which I guess is a safety thing for whoever came up with that. Make sure you don't go too narrow or too wide, depending on the corner. Oh, would you look at that, snow-capped mountains. Oh, scenery is off the chart. You kind of run out of superlatives for the scenery. It's just amazing. Okay, so a bit of a sit rep. Garmin's thrown a hissy fit. Yes, try and get through this. Whoa. Taking this little turning, which appears to be some sort of I don't know, like construction road or something, but it is on the sat nav. So we'll just see where we go. But it's a bit. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, it's all clay. Got no front wheels all over the place. Shut up and concentrate. So it's going to stay loose. Stay loose. Way. Are we supposed to be on here? Who knows? It's horrible. Right, I think the gravel will be better than that soft stuff. We're back on the actual Crieff Cloverleaf route west, and it's just picked up this little track that's followed the river for about 2 miles now. It's absolutely gorgeous. Not very busy, I've seen 1 car in it so far. Okay, so just arriving into Connell. We're going to be going over that bridge. So we're just semi-lost at the moment, so we've got sat-nav sort of working but not really working, so we're just winging it. Can't really go wrong in weather and roads like this, and scenery. Pretty cool. Pretty place, isn't it? Taymouth Castle. Okay, good afternoon. This is our final day's riding in Scotland, and we're on the Crieff Cloverleaf South route, basically on our way home via Moffat. Bit of a mixed bag this morning, weather-wise and route-wise. The route sort of kept us on the motorway for 45 minutes to an hour. I'm not sure whether that was intentional or whether it was just my Garmin playing up a bit like it did yesterday. Yeah, it's been a bit of a mixed bag, this route so far. I've also trapped a nerve in my shoulder overnight, so I'm riding in quite a lot of discomfort, but we haven't really got a lot of choice but to carry on and get home. So we will crack on. Just entered Dumfries and Galloway. Got about 20 minutes I reckon till Moffat. That'll be the end of the recording, because then it'll be all motorway from Moffat to home. So I reckon we've got about 4 hours to do. It's starting to get a bit brighter and the roads have got a bit better, so all's good. I'll keep recording just in case get any nice stuff. Well, we're already on the nice stuff, but just over to the right there you can see the main motorway. Roads are still a little bit greasy, a little bit slippy. Just taking it nice and steady. Sharp left onto a 701. I'm kidding, will it? Must be interesting, as heavy as we are. That's hard work. Okay. Last leg of the Crieff Cloverleaf. That's a good view, isn't it? Look at that. Clouds in the mountains. Right, I think we need to get a picture. This is where we might not be big enough to activate the sensor. Wave your arms a bit, see if that works. Watch this diesel, it's horrible, slippy. So this leaf doesn't actually go to Moffat, so we need to, basically when it starts turning off to go back up north, we need to come off it. come off it and go to Moffat. Right, wave your arms again, man. Do you think that's coincidence, or do we think we found something? What a corking little road. Yeah, it's got something in my eyes that's stinging. I couldn't see. Just keep my visor open for a bit, get some air. River Tweed. Tala Reservoir. What a gorgeous place, look at that house. Incredible house. Okay, so while it's nice and quiet, I'm going to wrap up the video there. So it's been a great few days. We've done 3 of the 4 Cloverleafs, just missing out the east side. Maybe we'll come back and do it again. So yeah, well done to the guys that have organised all this, put all the routes together. Really good. B&B was lovely, owners were lovely. Couldn't do enough for us really, so it's been a fantastic few days riding. So if you've got this far in the video, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. That's not a bad way to end, is it?